In this Marketing for Architects video, we shall look at reinforcing what we've discussed and installing what I see as 12 key marketing mindsets to lay the foundation for you and your architectural business. After you watch this video, you'll have a foundational knowledge of marketing that 99% of your peers and competitions won't have. But why learn marketing mindsets? Well, how you think about an area of business or success determines how you approach it. If you have the wrong ideas about marketing, or the wrong expectations, you are very likely to make serious mistakes. Mindsets act as rules or frames to think about a topic, in this case, marketing. So before we go further and start getting into strategy and tactics of marketing, we need to reboot a little and install some mindsets that will set the foundation and give us a solid footing to build on. It also means we will go in the right direction rather than learn a lot of stuff that's useless to us. So let's get going. Marketing mindset number 1. Marketing is the key moneymaker in your business. Most activities inside a business cost money instead of making money. Of the things that do make money, marketing makes the most money. It reprioritizes what you need to do every day. Most of your efforts should be on marketing. I know a lot of you watching this will have read The E-Myth by Michael Gerber. In that book, he talks about working on your business, not working in your business. Marketing is working on your business. Marketing mindset number 2. Marketing is not something you do once, it's an ongoing process. People's wants and desires with their projects change over time. Priorities change, as do trends. Because marketing has to be in tune with all this, it also changes. Marketing is a living and breathing thing that grows over time. It's an ongoing process. There will be only 3 major constants in the lifetime of your business. You, what your business does, and your marketing. Marketing mindset number 3. Marketing begins with understanding the needs and wants of your clients. Marketing doesn't begin with advertising, putting up a website, etc. These are tactics. Marketing begins with understanding your client. This is the body upon which you place the clothes of advertising, websites, etc. Success in business begins with understanding the needs of your clients. Most people start with some idea that they have or the service that they provide. This is absolutely the wrong place to start. Understanding who your client is involves multiple steps. The foundation is usually guesswork. You need to find out what is behind their thoughts, even if they don't know it themselves. So go out and ask them. Join Facebook groups that have them as members and look at what they ask in those groups. Look at what they complain about. Look at what results they say they want. Find out what drives them. Marketing mindset number 4. Clients hate to be sold, but they love to buy. 99% of architects try to convince their clients to hire them. Instead, give them what they need to convince themselves to hire you instead. Allow your clients the pleasure of finding a solution to their problem so they can love to hire you. Allow them to feel the success that comes with solving a problem. Spend the time to think like another person. Make them feel they have discovered you all by themselves. We do this by talking about specific solutions to specific problems, not talking about our design services. Marketing mindset number 5. Marketing is about triggering action. Marketing is client getting. Human beings don't make most decisions consciously, although it appears to the decider that they are. Brain scientists have found decisions are made several seconds before we are conscious of it. This is called confabulation. This is where our brain decides something and then we make up a story to make us feel that we made the decision and it is rational and sane. Our brain is actually made up of 3 separate brains that evolved over millions of years. We'll be discussing this in the next video and how we should talk to these 3 brains. But we have to be careful we don't cross our own ethical boundaries. You can manipulate people with this stuff. Yes, it's that powerful. Only use these tools when it's in the best interest of your potential clients to do so. We want them to take a step towards hiring you. Maybe that's a click on an ad, or give us their contact information, or getting on the phone. Everything we do in our marketing needs to have a call to action for the potential client to get to the next step with us. Marketing mindset number 6. Everything is a test. Everything. We like to think that what we're doing is going to work, for sure. Unfortunately, 90% of everything you are going to try in marketing won't work. This causes us to continue unsuccessful marketing efforts and compound our failure rather than compound our success. If you take the mindset that everything is a test, you watch what you do to see if it's working. You have to have the expectation that many things won't work. That's just the nature of the beast. But the ones that do work get used over and over again and become winning and very profitable formulas. Always test everything, watch and measure it always. Marketing mindset number 7. Run your marketing like a business. Running something like a business is about taking it seriously, measuring it, and making sure it actually works. Most people run their marketing by intuition, not like a business. Write down the results of everything, like how many people saw your ad and how many people clicked on it, how many people visited your website, and how many gave you their contact information. Of all the people who saw your ad, how many eventually became clients? What is the average lifetime client value? In other words, how much does your average client spend with you for the duration of your working relationship? You need to know these numbers. Have checks and measurement systems in place so you do. Marketing mindset number 8. Understand your prospective client better than they understand themselves. This is about diving deep into their desires, fears, fantasies, pictures they make in their mind. Where do they imagine themselves in the future? What words do they use in their heads, their aspirations, etc.? Learn the words they use to describe their situation. When you understand them better than they understand themselves, you'll be able to develop deep relationships with them and offer them many products and services outside your own. This is the secret sauce to creating successful joint ventures with other complementary businesses. Marketing mindset number 9. Successful marketing is ultimately a successful marketing system and sequence. You want to build a marketing system so a client can come to you and get a consistent experience of learning about your services, why they need to hire you, the other offers you have to sell them, etc. It's like building a machine. In fact, that's exactly what it is. Marketing mindset number 10. The success of your marketing is in proportion to the perceived value that you create for your clients. This is a huge one for architects. If I had $1 for every time I heard an architect bitch and moan about the profession not being valued or respected, then I'd be a billionaire. It's not enough to have a service and say, come and hire me. Potential clients have too much distraction, too many choices, and too many options coming at them every minute of the day. What clients need to make a decision is massive value. You need to translate the value of what you're offering. You need to demonstrate how it will improve their lives. You need to connect the dots and show them exactly how you'll solve their problem. Humans are horrible at understanding what something is worth. You need to take the lead and spell it out for them. Marketing mindset number 11. I am now a marketer, not just a business owner or architect. When people ask you what you do, answer, I'm a marketer and I own an architectural practice. Being an architect is largely secondary to being a marketer. Your potential clients will be attracted to your marketing, not the service you provide. They view your service as an obstacle to the results they want, and they sure as hell don't want to give you their money. Marketing first, architecture second. If you can't handle that, then get a job. Marketing mindset number 12. Find clients where they are, not where you want them to be, and don't expect them to find you. Find them physically and psychologically. Behave in a way that makes them comfortable with you because you're meeting them where they are. Expecting people to find us is a leftover from the job mindset. Understand what they think the problem is and what they think the solution is. Great marketing enters a conversation that's already occurring in the potential client's mind. This is our entry point. Okay, exercise in this video is shifting your marketing mindset. Your mindset determines how you perceive, think, decide, and act. Now that you've learned the 12 mindsets, it's important that you consider which of them needs to be considered carefully to shift your own mindset, so you can succeed in your future as a successful marketer. So ask yourself, where have you had a mindset in the past that prevented you from achieving business and financial success? Which marketing mindset will make the most difference to your future if you implement it in your life and in your business? What will you do differently in your future now that you've learned the 12 key marketing mindsets? Okay, that finishes the marketing groundwork. We've got rid of a lot of weeds with these first 2 videos and have built a solid footing for us to build on. In the next video, we'll start looking at how screwed up we are as people. In other words, we're going to take a deep dive into psychology. Also, if you want a written copy of these exercises, then simply go to the relevant blog section of affluentarchitect.com or click on the link below, which will bring you directly to the blog version of this video on the website. I'm Declan Connolly, founder of Affluent Architect, and I'll see you in the next video.